and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about a monitor that is LG22MP68VQ that I have worn and used for my gaming PC, and here is my gaming PC. So let's get started. I hope that you guys have already got the fact that I have already unboxed the monitor, though I am showing it to you that how is the box packaging. So at first you get the stand, which is of good quality. I want to say that I have already used this monitor and doing this video just to show you guys. Okay, so this is the stand, and as the quality goes, it is pretty sturdy. Okay, now coming to other stuffs, there is a tiny screw. I will talk about it later. Okay, and this is the cable that is provided to connect the display or the monitor with your CPU. Okay, now coming to the other stuffs, there is this is the power connector. As you can see, this is the power connector to power your monitor. Okay, now coming to the other stuffs, you get it is given on the box, so the usage of this I will talk about it later. Okay, let me show you the other stuffs. There is a CD drive, not the CD drive, there is a CD, but my PC unfortunately does not have a CD drive, so this is not useful for me. Now coming to the other stuff, the other stuff includes the warranty card. Okay, this is the manual, as you can see, and this is the warranty card. Okay, so let's talk about it later. Now under this plywood, this packet, okay, this packet contains the monitor. Okay, so where is the monitor? The monitor is, let me show you. I am holding the phone with one hand, so this is the monitor. Let me show you guys. This is the monitor, as you can see, and this is the stand. Okay, now how to connect this stand to this stand? Okay, so this tiny screw is used to connect the stand with the main stand, and you don't really need a screwdriver. Okay, you can tighten it with your hands. So now, as you can see, the monitor is connected to its stand. Now, okay, now coming to the ports that this monitor comes with, let me show you. So this is the power port. Okay, this is the D sub in. I don't know about this, pardon me for that. This is the audio output, this is the DVD in, and this is the HDMI connector. Okay, hey there guys, so as you can see, I have connected the monitor to my gaming PC. So let me talk about the specifications with which this monitor comes. So this monitor comes with a refresh rate of 75 Hz and the resolution is 1920 x 1080p. Now coming to some special features, this monitor includes AMD FreeSync, which means you can use FreeSync if you have a AMD card. So as I have an AMD card, I have purchased this monitor. Okay, now coming to some other stuffs like the viewing angles and the display quality. So as you can see, the display quality is pretty good for this price point. Now coming to the price point, this monitor costs around 8,000 rupees. So this was my video. I hope you guys have liked my video. If you end up liking my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So please let me know in the comment box below what do you think about this monitor. So bye bye.